Today is a pinholing day. I got my 5x7 wide angle and I actually revamped her, and we're gonna see what she's got. So I wanted to show you guys what I've done today. Here is my trusty 5x7 pinhole box. And what I did is I added a little mini magnifying glass over the hole. Just wanted to experiment with this just to see what would happen. And to add to this, I also wanted to balance that with some old school Cokin filters and see how they will perform with the magnifying glass that I added over the pinhole. There are a lot of beautiful bees in this bush, and I would love to try and see if I can get them, but these guys move so fast, I'm not sure if they'll even be present in the image. Unfortunately, I had to give up on that one. The bees are moving just too fast, and I would rather... Oh my god, a butterfly! Look at that! I don't know what it is. Everywhere I go, there's always a butterfly following me. I'm telling you. Work. I think I could call that one a kaplunk.